Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin hitting $1. BP Wells are all planning to show a lot of support for Terra Classic. Remember, Wells always buy coins in millions of dollars, and a lot of people also look out for Wells because if these guys can buy a particular coin, even if you see them sometimes buying a small cap coin worth of millions of dollars. For example, last year they bought a Shiba Doge coin worth of about over 7.2 to 7.3 million dollars. Now, Wells always do a lot of research before they can buy a particular coin. They always do a lot of research. Now, one thing to understand for Wells to start coming in to say we are going to buy Terra Classic coin is an amazing something for the Terra Classic community. Now, this year, different Wells, big Wells will be coming in to support this coin. They will be showing support for Terra Classic coin, and I believe before the end of 2023, you will be hearing big Wells buying Terra Classic worth of millions of dollars. And I believe the market cap is now trading over $1 billion. I think at the time of record it is about $1.040 billion. Terra Classic have now maintained over $1 billion market cap for the past 6 days. Okay, now I believe that the more investors come in, the more people keep investing on Terra Classic, the more market cap Terra Classic will keep increasing. Now, Terra Classic, I believe $1 is possible. It's possible for the fact that if Terra Classic community can destroy the at least 5 trillion coins, it will help this coin to really grow. And also, Terra Classic have great support from top crypto billionaires. It's one good thing to have great support behind you because they really want to push you. And a lot of people always look out for these people because Elon Musk, a tweet from Elon Musk can change a lot for Dogecoin, even crypto industry. Now, Terra Classic have that support. They have a lot of top billionaires that support Terra Classic. Binance founder is one of them. There are so many Terra Classic investors that are really helping this coin to remain on track. I believe very soon we'll be seeing big Wells coming in to buy this coin. I believe very soon we'll be seeing Terra Classic hitting a massive increase in price. And I know for sure that before the end of the year, this coin can hit over 2,000 to 6,000% increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.